Hi, today we're going to be going through how to register a new organization that has never received a grant from Circle of Service before. So we start at our login page. You will see on the right-hand side a bunch of text describing our new system and what to do if you are a new grantee. But today we are just going to start by clicking this button that says Register if New User. So now we're at a page asking if we are applying as a US-based nonprofit or an international NGO. For today's purposes, we are going to choose US-based nonprofit, but when you are doing this in real time, choose whichever is best for your organization. So now we will be answering a series of questions through our eligibility quiz. Again, we are pretending that we are a brand new organization and have never received a grant from Circle of Service. So when you are filling this out for your organization in real time, answer as applicable to your organization. Each question has a drop down to choose answers for, so you don't have to type anything. And keep in mind that with some of the questions, depending on your answer, you may be taken to an additional question or two to complete. So once you've answered everything the best of your ability, you will click the I am not a robot reCAPTCHA button and click submit. So after you've passed the eligibility quiz, now you will need to search for your organization through the IRS database. So you can do that through EIN number, the name of the organization, your organization's address, city, or state. If you choose city or state, it's going to be a pretty extensive list to search through. So we recommend doing EIN, name, or address. So today, we entered our name and we will search. And you will see a list or maybe just one option of your organization if that name pops up. So if your name does pop up, you can go ahead and click it. If not, if you can't find your organization, just follow the hyperlink here to add your organization's details. But today, we're just going to click one. And you'll see that the organization information has populated. So in any field that has the red star in the corner, that information is required information for your organization to be registered in our database. And a lot of the information is grayed out, so you're not able to edit it if you need to. If you need to edit information, if you've moved and changed address, once your organization is registered, you will be able to do that. But at this stage in the registration process, you are not able to. So go ahead and fill out the fields that have the asterisk and are not grayed out. In areas where you have text, for today's purposes, we will just be writing test, but this is where you would fill out your organization's mission statement. And then when you get to contact information, rather than typing out your contact information such as address and city and state, you can just go ahead and click copy address if it's the same. If not, you can go ahead and enter different information. But for today's purposes, we'll just hit copy address and then enter our names, and our email address. So once we have entered all the information and it looks correct, we are going to hit the I am not a robot reCAPTCHA button and click submit. You are now at a screen that says registration complete, so your organization has been registered. The screen says you'll receive an email with a link to create a password and login in the next 5 minutes. If you do not receive this email, please check your spam folder. Click here to return to the main login page, and you're set.